Good morning, children. Let us revise the previous concepts. I hope you would have understood the working part of a human eye. When the light enters into a human eye, it passes through the pupil and it reaches the screen of the eye. We call it as a retina. So this retina will have an cells so that get activated when the light falls on it. So immediately it produces an electric signal and the signal will be travel through the optic nerve and finally reaches the brain, and the brain will interpret the object. Followed by the defects of a human eye. You would have seen that many people would have using an spectacles, like they may have a short sightedness, long sightedness, some may have both long and short. So short sightedness means the person were able to see the nearer object clearly but not the distant one, whereas the long sighted person who were able to see the distant object clearly but not the nearer one. Whereas the elder people or the old age people, if you view, they may have both an long as well as a short sightedness. So they would have using a lens or the specs of both concave and an convex lens. But many people are not able to see the world. This can be either by birth or by an accident or by even a disease. So we call them as an visually challenged people or visually impaired people. A special way of reading for the visually challenged people was developed by Louis Braille, who himself was blind. He invented a system of reading which is called as an Braille system. So this consists of a group of raised dots. So when you take a needle and if you poke on the paper, it shows you a dot in the raised way. So the braille paper will look like that only. So with the help of the sense of touch, the people will touch the dots with the help of two fingers on both the hand. They may able to guess which letter it is. These are the some of the usual letters as being used in the braille system. You can see the shaded part of the dot is the raised one. If there is only an one dot is raised, they may guess it is an A. And if it is an two dot is raised, it is B in the vertical way. In the horizontal way, if the two dots were raised, it is called as an C. It will take a long time for them to learn certain things, but their sense are really better compared to us. So even they lose the sense of sight, they use the sense of touch and they able to understand the things better compared to us. Nowadays new technologies has come like screen reading. So when they turn on it, they don't want to depend on anyone. The screen itself like an app will be there, it will read the content in the screen. So with the help of that also they may able to understand certain things. The braille system was the one which was introduced earlier, but it was really useful for many people. How to take care of eyes? Eyes are the most sensitive sense organ. It is important to protect them from any kind of injuries. So in the virtual classes, you will be seeing the screen for a long time. So in between, you need to take a break for at least a minute. And also, if you feel something uncomfortable, try to visit the doctor once in a while. And do not look at the sun directly. Wash and clean your eyes with the cold water at least twice a day. And never read the paper or a book in under dim light, because under dim light you have to strain a lot when you are reading the book. Do not watch TV from short distance. Some may have a habit to sit in front of the close to the TV. So maintain the least distance of at least an some meter away from the television. Eat vegetables which that contain an vitamin A, like carrot and dairy products, to keep your eyes healthy. And do not try to read from a moving vehicle. That means you are straining your eyes. And if you feel something has entered into your eyes, do not rub them. Instead, please wash your eyes immediately with the cold water. So these are some of the ways of taking care of eyes. Children, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.